Hi, everyone. We send hundreds of emails every week, but most people leave the most valuable real estate at the bottom of the email completely blank or messy. Today, I'm going to show you the standard way to set up a professional Gmail signature in under 3 minutes. Let's dive in. So we are in Gmail, and first open your settings. Look for this small cog up there, and scroll almost to the end. Or you can always go with the Control F and just enter signature. We have here create new. Signature name will be business Gmail test. Create. And here we have the opportunity to put in whatever we want to put. So here you can insert image. You can, for instance, take from your drive. I put in here my picture, so you can just insert it. It is best if this picture is a bit smaller, so we can just make it small by clicking on this small part. You can also put here some of the links to your, for instance, if you want to have your LinkedIn profile or something like that. Here you can take the link to LinkedIn and input it here. And you can put in something else. Uh, Thank you for watching. One important thing is that down there you will see this signature defaults part. And for new emails, you use this template that we created just. And for the reply or forward, you can use the business Gmail test as well. And there's also this interesting setting insert signature before quoted text in replies and remove the dash dash line that preceded it. It has its function. So if you're not liking how your signatures look when you are replying or forwarding, just remember that this setting is here. So you just go to save changes. And what we will do next is we will just open a fresh window. You can always do that with Control F5, and you will go to Compose, and here it is. I know that it could be more beautiful. I'm not really a designer, but this is how you set up your signature in Gmail. So, what you saw is how a single user would set up their own signature in Gmail, or even if they use Google Workspace. But if you are a company that is using Google Workspace, here is the CEO secret. If you're running a company, do not ask your employees to do what I just did. Why? Because if you send a template to 50 employees, I guarantee you'll end up with 50 different signatures. Someone will use the wrong font, someone else will use an old logo, and some links will definitely be broken. It's a branding nightmare and a waste of your team's time. In a professional organization, signature should be managed centrally. With a tool like Sign.UseWise, you click one button and every single employee gets a perfect, secure, on brand signature automatically. No copy pasting required. We also have a version for Microsoft 365 and for Google Workspace. And we are happy to make many companies around the world so much happier with their email signatures and with how they manage them. If you are ready to move from manual to enterprise grade, check out my link in the description for a free trial of Sign.UseWise. Don't forget to subscribe for more Techland insights. And I'm Adriana, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.